Hi folks, I'm Ben Swathwood, District Sales Manager for Keystone RV Raptor Carbon Division. Today I'm standing in front of a 356 Raptor. This is going to be a 39-foot model, bath and a half, kitchen island with flip-up bar stools, and an 11-foot garage. This model is going to be perfect for those couples that are taking a golf cart, single motorcycle, or a side-by-side. Let's go take a look. One of the new features that we're offering on all Raptor 2021 models is the MORryde CRE 3000 suspension system. So this suspension system is going to have rubberized suspension as well as the wet bolts. The wet bolts are going to be a greased wet bolt, so it's one thing that you no longer have to do, and it's going to give you a smoother ride while keeping all of your toys and your valuables safe on the inside. Okay, let's go take a look at the other features inside. So we're in the 356. Some of the highlighted features that I want to show you are going to be our barn style gray wood, which is going to give you soft close cabinet doors in every room and in every floor plan. Additionally, you're going to have the LED lit solid surface countertop with your slate backsplash, a residential sprayer faucet, and then you're also going to have 4 pull-out storage doors there, cabinetry doors that are going to give you plenty of storage, and then 3 more on this side. You'll have your Furrion cooktop oven with a pan storage drawer, a 30-inch convection microwave, and then you've got your 18 cubic foot stainless steel refrigerator, which is going to give you 4 doors, plenty of storage while maintaining that residential look and feel. We also are going to have the pantry door here, which is going to allow you to store as much as you possibly can when you go on the road. And then within your kitchen island, you're also going to have 4 pull drawers here, and then a storage spot here that you're going to be able to use for a trash can or whatever else you would like to have. You maintain your solid surface, and then one of the cool features that we added is with these MORryde razor bar stools. So this enables you to have seating, whether you want to entertain or eat or watch TV, while still being able to maintain that storage there, so we're not losing any of that. And then behind me, you're going to have your fireplace along with your 50-inch television, storage up above that, and then you're going to have your 4-seat sofa, which is going to be your Thomas Paine, which will incorporate your LED, heat, and massage, and then you'll have the pull-down shades on all the Raptors. Now, as we go up into the bedroom here, I want to stop and talk about the in-command system. So the in-command system allows you to control all of the functions of the coach from either the tablet or you can Bluetooth it to your phone. And then you'll have the 4G LTE Wi-Fi, and then let's go up in the bedroom. So, up in the bedroom of this Raptor 356, as you can see here, this is a king bed, which is an option. If you were to go with the queen, you would have the dual nightstands. But you also get outlets and USB ports on both sides that are going to allow you to have space for any kind of CPAP, books, drinks, glasses, or things like that that you're going to use. You'll still maintain the storage over the top of the bed. And then over here, you're going to have your wardrobe slide, which is going to give you the tall one here. And then you can use it for whether you want to do his and hers, but you'll still maintain the storage on the bottom, the top, and then the sides there. The TV will come standard, and then you'll also have an AC up in the bedroom. Now, as we funnel into the bathroom here, in the bathrooms, you're always going to have a full fiberglass residential shower, and then you're going to have a metal shower fixture, which is going to be different than some of the plastic ones that you'll have. You'll maintain the vanity, a stainless steel sink with plenty of storage down below and up above. And then we also have a linen closet, which is going to give you plenty of space and storage to be able to house towels and all of your toiletries. Behind me is going to be a full porcelain toilet. It'll be a foot flush, and then you'll have the skylight and then the fan above me. Okay, so now we're standing in this Raptor 356 garage. This garage is going to have an 11-foot capability, and then we're also going to have some features like this residential glass door that is going to give you a vapor barrier all the way around to stop the fumes from going into the rest of the coach. Additionally, we're going to have the washer dryer prep in the garage, as well as having that half bath. So you're going to have a full half bath in there with storage and then a porcelain foot flush toilet. And then in the garage, we use the blackout shades that snap on. The reason that we use those is it allows you to create that slim line in here so that you can bring in all of your toys. Up above, you'll have the 2 angled cabinets, as well as having that 40-inch TV that will fold down off the bracket so that when you run your Happy Jack system down, you'll still have that cross conversational seating, and then a TV that's going to be down here at viewing angle so that it's not up here. Additionally, you're going to have your top bunk on that Happy Jack system that'll work off of that electric motor. And then you'll have our Keystone exclusive frame welded tie downs. The key with our frame welded tie downs is every one of these tie downs is individually rated at 5,000 pounds. And then on top of that, you're gonna have your storage box here in your dovetail that is gonna stretch the width of the trailer and then is gonna allow you to store anything like straps, hoses, tie downs, anything that you would wanna use as you're going up and down the road. All right, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough on this Raptor 356. For more information, please visit your local dealer or visit us at KeystoneRV.com.